Hey guys, super quick video here about how to clean your tools. I found this new product. I guess not new to me. It's just a wheel and tire cleaner that I found at my local 99-cent store. And I figured, yeah, that might be good to clean tools because, you know, when you're cleaning tires, it's got to have something that sort of has like a rubber protectant or you know, something that doesn't cause harm to rubber and only helps rubber. And these like Milwaukee tools actually have rubber mold over molds on the plastic, so I figured I need something that'll be able to clean and then protect that as well. And to be honest, it works really great, and it does not take the white Milwaukee off at all, so it works really well, and it just kind of gets everything super clean. I'm just going to do a quick sample here for you. Yeah, I mean, it's great. It gets everything clean. I've already cleaned like all my tools with this stuff. Seems to work really great. So I'll bet you that all of these wheel and tire cleaners are basically the same. So I don't think the brand really matters, but I just figured I'd pass along that tip. You know, if you're looking for something to clean your tools. I was previously using brake clean, which I shouldn't have been because that already wiped some of the white off of some of my Milwaukee tools, and that was a bad idea. So if you're looking for something to clean your tools with, I would go for some tire and wheel cleaner. Thanks for watching.